check out these styling shoes walking down the street. Alright, it is Sunday afternoon. We're going on kind of a date-ish thing. A date-ish thing? We're walking to the bus stop right now. We have to go to the mall where I work, even though it's my day off. Josh has some papers, right? You're signing papers?
I think so.
He's gonna sign some papers for his new job. And then we're gonna have lunch.
Date. That's a great date.
That's our date. We're gonna go sign papers. Now we're gonna go to lunch and then maybe see a movie. I don't know. Depends if anything is out that we really want to see. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's hope the bus comes soon. Listen to what the machine does until you insert it.
It cut off after that, but...
Why?
I couldn't hit the button fast enough. It was turning on. When I turned this camera on, you had already started talking.
Oh.
Press that yes button.
What?
Press cancel. There you go.
I canceled my last transaction?
No, you just canceled doing another transaction.
This is where we're gonna park our car when we get one.
Oh yeah, in this sweet parking garage.
Hopefully we can get a nice spot in the covered shade.
I think we'll be fine. I think we'll find something. I would pick a spot dead in the sun if I knew I had a car.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about working at the same mall as me?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Are you excited?
We'll see once I start.
He's excited to see my face every day.
I see your face every day.
I know, but you'll see my face every day, all day.
This is like
Look at these clouds. It might rain. And there's a C's Candy. Okay, Josh and I have to be careful working here because we're gonna probably want to eat out way too much. So we're gonna have to like be really strict about bringing our lunch. Okay, ready? This is where Josh is gonna work. Right here. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, they just keep on coming. What? Why did they go through the red line?
because they all want to stay together. So when they first started going out, it was green, and then two people block. So one person blocks this side and the other person blocks this side, and then they just sit there and then everybody goes through.
Oh my god. Okay, I want to film your shoes. This was Josh's last purchase at Vans before his discount was over. And this was my last purchase at Vans. Aren't they cute? So yesterday was your last day, and you're officially a Pictures Plus employee.
Yes, ma'am.
It's pretty exciting. So we ate lunch, but I didn't really film inside the mall because, I don't know.
We work there.
Yeah, because we work there, so it's awkward. I'm just kidding. And now, we decided not to see a movie, I think. Right? Yeah? I don't really want to see Star Trek or Iron Man 3. Sorry. I'm boring like that.
Kay likes to see dumb romantic comedies.
Yeah, whatever.
If they played The Holiday in movie theaters, you'd probably want to see that every day.
I do love The Holiday. So, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do the rest of today. I don't know. But right now, we're just waiting for the bus.
Look at this motorcycle, he's a little late.
Where?
Just kidding, he's not part of it.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, the straggler.
I'm just kidding, he's not part of it.
Check out this tree that we're sitting under. It's so cool. Yesterday I got off of work at 6 o'clock And I sat here until 6:58. It was so much fun.
That means that the bus probably came at 5:58.
I know. It probably came like 5 minutes before I got off.
Yeah.
I want our car. Yeah, I lose most.
But you lose most when you have to come to the Collar Mall.
Yeah. Alrighty, we're gonna go. Bye. You gonna get some water? And that's how Olive does it. So funny to me. Y'all done? No, you're all done? Bye! Get the camera! She's gonna knock it into the water. Don't knock it. How did you know that was there? Come on! Olive, let's go on a walk! Okay, so we decided to take an evening walk. I was so lazy today. I took a nap. And so I kind of felt bad that Olive hasn't gotten out much. So we're taking her on a walk. The lighting looks really pretty. Check it out. Check out the Olive Way. So pretty. Did you see
That lady think Olive's going after her?
Oh my gosh.
Olive like moved to
Okay,
the
so I
left
didn't
a
want to
little.
say anything, but this lady literally jumped when Olive walked past her. It was really funny. Okay. Alright, puppy. Olive, run! 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 I love this time of night. It's so nice and pretty. Like everything is pretty in this lighting. Woo! Olive, where's the fish? Are they in there? We haven't seen the fish in a long time. There's a plumeria flower.
What's all that crap in there?
No, it's so sad. Look at the plumeria trees. So pretty.
Come on, Olive.
Olive, are you ready to go home? Come on. Let's go this way and go home. Let's turn around. U-turn. U-turn. Oh my gosh, I have to take a picture. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see this picture. Go, Olive. Okay, so what we've been doing lately to avoid the elevator, since Olive is like mean to other dogs, is we take the stairs. It's probably good for her too. But sometimes I think it's kind of hard for her. But that was a good walk, right? Should that be like a family tradition? Huh? No?
I take Olive on the walk every day.
Don't look at our messy house. Okay, so you know how I said our house is a mess? We're gonna clean it. I'll just have you do dishes, okay? Okay, do you see these pans? This pot and pan? Am I too close? I can't tell. Okay, so these are like seriously the best pots and pans that we have ever used in our whole lives. Yes, they're off-white, and so they get like this, but who freaking cares? Martha Stewart! That's like the
only mentioned a bad thing about them besides that you like them.
I like them because, okay, so even though the outside is off-white, and they get kind of marked up with burnt stuff,
So you actually have to use
the
them.
inside, the inside is white, and seriously, they wash white every single time, no matter what you burn in them. And Josh burns a lot of stuff in them. I'm just kidding.
I just washed that burnt egg out of that this morning.
Yeah, see, a burnt egg came out, and it's perfectly white. So anyways, there's ceramic, and ceramic is naturally non-stick, which is so awesome, because it's like healthy. It's not like Teflon, which is like poisonous. So these are really, really awesome. And we probably broke the rules from the apartment, but I drilled holes in right here, and I hung all of our pots and pans.